What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Hustlepedia. Today we are going to take a quick look at the booming Avalanche ecosystem and just reiterate on what we've talked about on two of our most recent videos. Last night we talked about JOE and Avalanche. And then like 5 days ago I say why Avalanche is the next Solana. And as we see, Avalanche is up 10% today. It was up 10% yesterday. Avalanche is absolutely going crazy right now. And we've been telling you that this is coming. And I want to go over just why this ecosystem has advantages and a couple other projects that I'm bullish on. We talked about JOE yesterday, guys, up 18% today, absolutely booming. And then you take a look at Avalanche, up 7% today, absolutely booming. And with the launch of Avalanche just going into the stratosphere, with basically no sign of slowing down, we're going to take a look at a couple other projects that I think have bullish potential in these markets, and we'll just go over exactly why Avalanche is proving to be an asset class above the rest right now as far as the growth it's seeing in the markets and why it's seeing Solana type growth. Be sure to drop down and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and be sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. We drop new cryptocurrency videos every single day. So taking a look at Avalanche, you see they have a deep ecosystem, guys. Like, this is an ecosystem that is really, really deep, and it is still early stages. Like, if you are getting in on Avalanche right now, you really are early to the party on Avalanche. And I'm gonna dive into a couple projects on this list here and go into some others that have value, just like JOE and just like Avalanche, which, by the way, guys, I still think these have major potential. This could be $1 billion decentralized exchange on Avalanche. It has $185 million market cap, guys. This could be a $1 billion market cap exchange, 100% with the ecosystem that Avalanche is building. Avalanche sitting at about 44 million market cap. That's easily doubleable. Easily. This is a $100 million project, 100%, especially once more projects start switching over to the Avalanche network. And why would a top project switch over to the Avalanche network? Look at all the pros it has over Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot. I mean, just transactional throughput, transactional finality, energy efficient, number of validators, safety threshold, all Avalanche. You can build your dApps without limits, as they say. I was just going to say build their apps on all the fastest protocols there. Lowest cost to deploy contracts. Guys, when I transact on the JOE decentralized exchange, it's literally like pennies on the dollar that I'm getting charged. And the transactions go through like that. Whereas Ethereum contracts take forever to approve and go through, and you're paying these gas fees. It's kind of insane. And you can see they're making names with some of the biggest companies out there. Topps NFTs, as we talked about last night. They have their own wallet platform and Explorer platform. They have their own little ecosystem page. They have a bridge to bridge your coins to the Avalanche network. I mean, this is a thorough project that really is an Ethereum killer type of project. And there's so much money to be made in the projects underneath it, guys, as we talked about. JOE is still a really bullish investment. Decentralized exchange built on the Avalanche network, seeing major growth with the boom of JOE, with the boom of Avalanche, 20% up. We have Avalaunch up 8%. So we have a deep ecosystem here, guys. There's a lot you could take a look at here. I want to take a look first at Beefy Finance. We're not going to go deep diving into these projects, but I just want to highlight a couple more Avalanche projects. Like last night when I talked about JOE and Avalanche, we see them taking off with the run of Avalanche. And I think with this bull market, guys, these are 5x caliber coins. Take a look at Beefy Finance. Beefy Finance price right now, obviously $1.16. Good trading volume for a coin that's not like hot right now. They're dividend eligible revenue shares in Beefy Finance, where holders earn profits generated by Beefy Finance and are entitled to vote on important platform decisions. A DeFi yield optimizing platform that allows users to earn compound interest on their holdings. Super interesting project. Certic has already provided audits for such projects as Ocean Protocol, NEO, Ontology, and Waves. So supported partner of Binance's decentralized wallet, Trust Wallet. Big partnership there. And honestly, do you want to talk about like just a bullish project? Who wouldn't want to get on a dividend eligible, yield optimizing coin where you have the potential to vote on important platform decisions? You want to talk about putting the power in the hands of the consumer and of the market. Beefy Finance is definitely the definition of that. And that's a really bullish project, guys. Market cap of Beefy Finance sitting at about 90 million right now. 90 million. Wonderland's up 7% today, guys. Wonderland is a very interesting project as well. Reserve currency protocol available on the Avalanche network based on the time token. So each time token's backed by a basket of assets in the Wonderland treasury, giving it intrinsic value that it cannot fall below. It introduces economic and game theoretic dynamics into the market through staking and bonding. Super, super cool platform there. If you want to stake your coins, you can get some time on Trader Joe, and they have the pools on there. But basically is made for, policy-controlled currency system native on the AVAX network in the behavior of the time token. We believe the system can optimize the stability and consistency so that time can function as a global unit of account and medium of exchange currency. In the short term, we intend to optimize the system for growth and wealth creation. We intend to achieve price flatness for a representative basket of goods without the use of fiat currency in order to allow the cryptocurrency industry to detach for once and for all from the traditional finance world. Very interesting project that Wonderland has there. You can get that on Joe, the exchange we mentioned here, and you can get Joe's native token on Joe only as well, unless you're using Pangolin, but I would recommend you get it on Joe. Let's go back to the ecosystem here. And one more project that I'm kind of bullish on, Snowball. There's actually two in an honorable mention, so we'll keep it going. Snowball, very bullish on Snowball. Nice platform that they have. Governance token for Snowball. It can be locked to obtain X Snowball, which gives access to revenue sharing, reward boosting, and voting. What is Snowball? A decentralized protocol on Avalanche whose main products include auto compounding services for liquidity pools and AMM for stablecoins, NFTs, and governance. Snowball's goal is to become one of the premier DeFi projects on Avalanche by offering competitive and unique projects. I really like Snowball. They have a clean protocol, clean mobile. They're up 18% in the last 24 hours with a market cap of 26 million. I could easily see that being a $100 million project as this bull run goes on. GameSwap, very bullish on GameSwap. It's down 5%, but nothing to worry about there. NFT gaming and play-to-earn gaming is the future of cryptocurrency gaming and gaming in general. Once people catch wind of the crypto earn-to-play or play-to-earn decentralized exchange that enables millions of gamers to easily trade and cash out in-game assets with crypto in a neutral platform that they govern and own. Absolutely crazy. Like, you're acquiring these like Fortnite skins or Warzone skins and you can't do anything with them. In GameSwap, you'll be able to trade your in-game assets on the cryptocurrency blockchain. So bullish on this project, guys, and this is all on the Avalanche network. You can find this at CoinGecko, Avalanche ecosystem. There's so much to dig into here, but yeah, like those are projects and a lot more that I'm really bullish on. I really like Beefy, Wonderland, Snowball, GameSwap. Last one I'll look at, AVAX. AVAX is only going to grow if Shiba Inu does, and you know, if you have pennies on the dollar to throw into it, might not be a bad idea to try to pick some up. But that's just more of a honorable mention there, with Shiba Inu absolutely popping off, up 40% today. Wow, Shiba Inu listed on Coinbase up 40% today. That is insane. Guys, I'm super bullish on the Avalanche ecosystem from here. Avalanche itself still has 5x, 10x potential in all seriousness. This project has 5x potential still from where it sits right now. This is a $70 billion project at the least. At the very least. Avalanche's ecosystem, blockchain, their speed of transactions, their low fees, super quick. They pride themselves on being the fastest ecosystem. Blazingly fast, low cost, and eco-friendly. Fastest smart contracts on the blockchain. So I'm really bullish on a lot of these will blow up, but the ones I highlighted, as well as the main players that I'm super, super bullish on, JOE and Avalanche. So guys, keep on the lookout for more Avalanche updates as we go along, and more updates on projects that I think are going to blow up. I mean, we talked about it last night with JOE and Avalaunch. We talked about it last week with Avalanche about to be the next Solana. And we look at the markets today, and that's definitely the case, as Avalanche is up 59% over the 7 days. So we will be back tomorrow with another cryptocurrency update on whatever is going on in the world, in the market, and we'll bring you more updates on altcoins to take a look for. And let me know what down below your thoughts on the Avalanche ecosystem, Avalanche's growth going forward. Did you get in on JOE and Avalanche last night, or are you on those at all? This is not financial advice, purely educational purposes only, but we are only trying to help everyone here profit with their investments. And quite frankly, we're all, you wouldn't be into cryptocurrency for anything else but the eventual profits, the fruits of the game. And I'm here to try to present you what I'm seeing every single day so we can all try to profit together. And I'm really bullish on Avalanche and the entire ecosystem. Let me know down below your thoughts on Avalanche, your thoughts on the whole ecosystem, as well as your thoughts going forward. What other ecosystems should I cover on the channel? Let me know down below. I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace.